crowd that's black and white. But I'm not a referee in sight. In Africa's plains, I love to run, with stripes that shine beneath the sun. What am I? A zebra. I have no legs. I slither around in grass or sand without a sound. I may hiss, but I do not bark. Some fear me when they walk the dark. What am I? A snake. I'm spotted, but not a Dalmatian. I run fast without hesitation. I climb trees and sneak around. In jungle silence, I make no sound. What am I? A leopard. I have a neck that's long and high. I nibble leaves from trees up to the sky, with spots all over and legs so tall. Among all animals, I stand the tallest of all. What am I? A giraffe. I'm known as the king of the land, with a mighty roar and a mane so grand. In the savannah, I proudly roam. The jungle feels like my royal home. What am I? A lion.